Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you can't log in into your Instagram account and you receive error on it, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi network, just check your Wi-Fi network. So just go to the settings, just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, and also you haven't seen here yellow color. It means that you have internet connection, because sometimes you can be connected but you won't have internet access. So just check this thing. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, and if you're using mobile data, just try to go here and just check if you're successfully turned on cellular data or mobile data. So just check these things. So, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try to, maybe you just try to, you write not write password or login. So just check, maybe you just made a mistake in it. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. And the last way you can try is just go to the settings and just find in the general, just find shutdown, and just shut down your phone, and just hold on power button after it was successfully turned off. Just turn on your phone, and sometimes it also helps. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.